Have you ever wondered how to create a Japanese Zen garden? Welcome to the world of tranquility and beauty, the Zen Garden. Originating from Japan, these serene landscapes serve as places for meditation and reflection. Creating a Zen garden is a peaceful and rewarding process, and today we'll guide you through it. Before we start, gather these essential materials. You'll need an array of rocks to serve as focal points, white gravel to mimic water, a rake for pattern creation, lush moss for a touch of greenery, and a suitable outdoor space. With these materials at hand, you're ready to embark on your Zen garden journey. Now, let's dive into the process of designing your Zen garden. Begin by envisioning a tranquil landscape. Simplicity is key, so let's focus on natural elements. Arrange rocks, as they can represent mighty mountains, creating a sense of strength and stability. Then, rake the gravel in patterns that evoke the movement and serenity of water. And don't forget about moss. Its lush greenery brings life to your Zen space. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to design your Zen garden. It's a reflection of your personal journey to tranquility. Once you've created your Zen garden, it's crucial to keep it in prime condition. Regular maintenance is key to preserving its tranquility. This involves frequent raking of the gravel to maintain its pristine appearance and to create new patterns that resonate with you. Any plants in your garden require careful pruning to retain their shape and health. Don't forget the rocks. They too need a gentle cleaning to keep them looking their best. With regular upkeep, your Zen garden will continue to be a source of peace and inspiration. Creating a Zen garden is more than just landscaping. It's a journey of mindfulness and tranquility. You've learned how to select your materials, design with intention, and maintain your peaceful oasis. Remember, each rock placement, each raked line, is a step towards inner calm. Embrace the process. Feel the tranquility seep into your life as your garden takes shape. We hope you've enjoyed this guide to creating your own Zen garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative content.